Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both sides, your repo and your device. First, install the ZenHub browser extension and sign into GitHub so you can attach boards. Next, install Shizuku on the Android device and enable developer options and USB debugging. This lets you grant system-level APIs safely. Once your PC has ADB, connect the device and run the Shizuku start command so the service runs. Make sure both tools report as active before moving forward. You now link ZenHub to your workflow and use Shizuku to enable device capabilities. In ZenHub, enable the repo, create a workspace, and map repos to one board so cross-repo epics sync. Then add epics, break down issues, and move cards through pipelines like backlog, in progress, review, and done. Meanwhile, use Shizuku to grant only the required APIs to the chosen app and run short tests to confirm the app can access system services without full root, validating permissions and logs. You finish by locking in automation and verifying stability. In ZenHub, set rules to automate pipeline moves and use estimates for sprint planning so the team follows the same cadence. Confirm Shizuku stays active between reboots. If the service stops, restart it from ADB or the app and recheck access. Make sure to back up workspace settings and document which APIs you granted. If something goes wrong, a quick troubleshooting step is to restart Shizuku, rerun the ADB start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.